guys, so today's the day. We're going bike riding. And I'm scared as hell. My sister's outside right now. Test drive, well, not test driving. She's just driving around for a minute. Where is she? I think that's my car. Oh no, where she went? Oh, there she goes. She's not test driving. I just went inside to change, and so she said she was gonna drive around with the bike. Where'd she go? Oh, there she goes. That's my sister.
Does it have a timer?
Yeah. Oh, it's recording actually. Where's the airport? You missed it? I missed it too. Hey guys, I'm not sure if you guys can see me or hear me right now. I'm under a bridge. But we just went bike riding. We're on our way back. This is the road, I guess, for bike. We just come from that way. My friend said we rode about 2.5 miles. 2 to 3 miles, he said. Right now we're going back. They're ahead of me. I think they're ready. They left me. I told them that it was okay. Sorry, trying to hold the camera with one hand and ride the bike on the other. I told them to go ahead without me. I think that's them over there waiting for me. But yep, so I just wanted to record for a little bit and let you guys know. Yep, that's them. See you guys.